This is the first day of fall. I don't like it. Poor Frosty. We're leaving the cage outside just in case Frosty sees it and maybe he comes back or something. And we left Millet over here, but it's raining bad. It's raining and wind, and it's crazy. Oh, look at that little feather.
Oh my god, there's feathers everywhere. What's that frosty feather? What is that?
Are you putting, what are you doing?
Putting bird noises.
Bird noises? Are you gonna leave it here?
No, it's wet here. I was gonna put it here.
Okay. Yeah, so we're leaving bird noises over here, and hopefully, I don't know, she hears it and she comes. Oh, Frosty was on that tree yesterday, right there, and we tried to get her. We put the cage down there with bubbles inside, but she wouldn't come back. I think she was too scared. Yeah. 2 days ago, Andrew was playing with his cousin here in the house, and they were running in and out the door, you know, inside and outside of the house, playing and running around. And on one of those times, Frosty, when they open the door, Frosty flies out of the house right away. So we were crazy. We were going crazy. We were so worried. Everybody went out of the house to look for Frosty. We couldn't see her anywhere. And that was early afternoon. We were looking for her for hours. We were looking for Frosty with Bubbles in the cage, and I took Bubbles all over the neighborhood because I wanted Frosty to see Bubbles or maybe come back to us or something. This neighbor asked me, she was like, do you own a white bird? And I was like, yeah. Do you have it with you? I got so happy. She's like, oh no, I'm sorry. She came to my house. She bumped into my door really hard. Probably Frosty was scared and tried to get in her apartment or something, you know, maybe she thought it was our house. And she said that Frosty bumped into her door, and she tried to give her seeds, chia seeds. She said she had chia seeds because she didn't have seeds for birds. When she tried to give her seeds, Frosty just flew away because she was scared. So the neighbor told me where she went, around which area she went. So yeah, I was very sad, very disappointed. I told everybody where the neighbor said Frosty was. So we went to look for her on there, and we saw her on the tree. There are so many trees around here, and we saw her on one of the trees. She was just there. She was probably scared. We tried calling her. We took Bubbles with us in his cage and everything, but Frosty never came back to us. She was probably too scared to come back to us. She went out on the day that there was gonna be a storm. Like, it was raining, it was cold, it was horrible. The next day it was raining the whole day, it was cold, the wind was crazy. So yeah, bad timing. And we're still trying to put the cage outside on the balcony. We're trying to do that to see maybe Frosty maybe sees the cage, recognizes the cage, and comes back. But yeah, we're pretty sad. And Bubbles definitely feels lonely. He seems lonely. And yeah, so wish us luck. We're gonna be putting the cage outside the door for a few days, and hopefully she comes back. There's Bubbles eating his millets. I mean, I guess it's a good sign he's eating, but he was not eating yesterday. He has not gotten in his cage to drink water or eat, or at least I haven't seen him getting his cage to drink water or eat. So I'm just putting millets over here, and yeah, I'm gonna put the cage outside in a little bit and hope for the best. Hopefully Frosty sees the cage and comes back to her cage, you know. but I'm gonna wait for Bubbles to finish his millet first. And I'm gonna give him some water also, because I haven't seen him drink water. Hi Bubbles, I love you. It's a beautiful day, so hopefully Frosty comes back. I went out for a bit. Bubbles is still here. And nothing in the cage yet. Nothing yet. I was hoping to find something. I mean, maybe Frosty in there, but nope. Hi Bubbles, how you doing, baby? How you doing, Bubbles? Hi. I feel bad for him. Oh my god. Andrew and Bubbles eating dinner together. Oh, there goes Frosty. Aww. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? They're such cuties. My goodness. Look at them. Whenever my son gets on the floor, Frosty and Bubbles come right away.
They come running to see what I'm eating.
Yeah.
And sometimes they taste it.
Yeah, sometimes they taste it. He's eating salad right now, but they're not interested. So my son got the millets, and they came running to get the millets. Such cuties.